mbasaba muzikirize nyambala enkofiira yange. Ebigambo bidde bulungi, menye ebigambo bibeera mu nkofiira muno. Mutuufu nagambye bawasinnawadde seetegese kwogera. Tokadde chairman bivuze era nampita. But nevertheless, Jaco's opportunity and second Jacalo Kwebaza in a very, very special way. We were to Tuchaza, we were to Bunganya, we were to offering leadership. You don't take it for granted. You've been an elder. Mwawana bafawali wano, temumanyi ntinze chairman yamperera school fees. Nesobolo kusoma. So this man has been a magical man all through lives, long before you were here. So Sebo Tukwebaza, era to celebrating her, and happy belated birthday. Yesterday was your birthday. Also with the Kui Ramas, the Kwanga Nukutia, Naira, Papararis, and Vijafuna Yona Kolala. All of December is supposed to be considered your birthday. Whoever they could take Luna Pulno, Jakwebaza Bakule Bezebana Femina, Bakurubana Fe, Bakuruba Fe, Baba Sti, overall elder wafe, Baba Nyanzi, Baba Yahweh, Baba Namuleme, Pastor Chalu, Julius Kadaksi, Baba Dax. Today I just want to address our children mainly. We planned it as family to different homesteads. That is our way of bringing you children together. Abasinga obungi kumwe kati mutandisa okukola, abasinga mutusinga n'obuwanvu. Now I want, if you put up your hand, if you're 10 years and above among our children. Good. Now pay very much attention when we do kunyonyola bato bamwe. Tetufuna budde bungi kwogera nammwe. But the small opportunities that we get, we want to use them. One, twagala mukozesenga zino time okuboninga together. Mwemwenonye n'okwenonyanga tetulina mwe. Some of us, we didn't get that chance to bond with our cousins, with our brothers and our sisters. Tweno abaganda tukumanyi kigambo cousin. Abazungu babirita abeera muganda wo. So tuli basanyufu tumukwatagana, pull through. Continue the tradition. That is what builds family. Mwina okuyunga oluganda, mwina okwemanya. It's important, it is your strength. Tuli bangi nyo. Bwe mukolektinga mujja kumanya n'abo be tutamanyi. That's number one. Number two, never be shy to be who you are. Never ever be shy. It was not a mistake. It was a blessing that you came up the way you are. Never be shy. Be confident. Tubazadde bamwe tuli bwe tukubanga twagala nnyo ensi yaffe. Tekitandikidde ku ffe. Mwe baana mwe mwina okubeera proud. You are great grandchildren of City Center. You are great grandchildren of Nabembezi. You are great grandchildren of Kumilyampisi. You are great grandchildren of Center Bakamalabyona. Abona bejogerako bali Prime Minister babuganda. So that is the blood that flows in your veins. Never ever let anybody make you feel any less. You are blessed. That is the DNA that is flowing in your brains. So if you ever doubt, and I know doubt comes to you, but if you ever doubt yourself, just remember whose son or daughter you are.